with a lovely swimming pool for your water relaxation between you and your friends, to a fully fitted kitchen where you can prepare and enjoy a home-cooked meal with your family, to a modern architectural design. This 5-bedroom fully detached duplex along the Chevron toll gate comes with a building approval, a governance consent, and a CFO. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a second to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this amazing 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this camera and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this lovely property. So stay tuned, watch this video to the very end. I'm sure you're going to enjoy every bit of this video. And after watching this video, you're going to call your account officer to wire the money sharp, and let's get this baby. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Terraholmesproperties, and today we are touring this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex along the Chevron toll gate. Now, this property is located in a call to access estate, a very serene and secure environment. Okay, so let's go inside so you can see this property. You know, the way I want to do my video is you'll be watching the video, you'll be seeing the house like you're walking with me side by side and inspecting this house. So okay, so stepping inside, this is the compound space. You can park 3 cars right here comfortably. Okay, you can park 3 cars right here. You know, it's a 2-way gate. A car can come in here, park this side, then another one can come in through this side, park at the middle, then you can have another car park right here. So go back so you can see the compound space of this property. Okay, so before going inside, let me go round the compound for you to see what we have. It comes with a BQ and a swimming pool. So let's head over to the swimming pool. Okay, so moving, comes with this lovely ash color tiles. Beautiful. The walls has this beautiful lights. Comes with an electric fence for your security. Okay, so this is the swimming pool area. So this is our swimming pool area. Comes with this green rug, beautiful. So have your relaxation. You can even use this part for a gazebo. You can just construct like a nice gazebo right here for you and your friends. You know, have a drink while you're having a swim. Okay, so you have this room right here. You can use this room as a gym room. Let me just show you. Comes with an music speaker, so you can use this room as a gym room. But I'm not going to go in. When I go inside the house, I'll show you this room properly. Okay, so this side you have where you can have your shower before taking a swim. So this side is the shower area for the swimming pool. So before going inside for a swim, just take your shower over there and have a swim. So this is where you have your tank. It's 2 units actually. One is sold out, so it's just remaining this unit right here. Okay, so you have your BQ. This is your BQ. BQ comes with the toilet and the bathroom. Okay, so you have a tap by this side, very close to the kitchen. So this floor gives you access into the kitchen. Okay, so the compound is quite spacious, it's long. You can see the length from the front gate to the backyard. It's quite lengthy. Okay, so we are back. Yeah, you have a tap By this side, you have this design right here on the wall. Beautiful design. You have the flowers right here. Now these flowers beautifies the compound. Beautiful flower pots. Okay, so stepping in, you have this staircase. You step into your front porch. Comes with this beautiful design, lighting, you know, that illuminates your walkway. Very beautiful. So this is the light on the wall. So once it's night, it's going to bring out the beauty of this house. So you have your security door right here that has a biometric access control. Okay, so right here is our guest room. So this is our guest room. Obviously, you're going to put a curtain right here to cover up this place to give your guests some privacy. So over here, you have your TV console for your guests. Okay, comes with bathroom. This is the bathroom. Suspended WC. Comes with this beautiful sanitary ware. Love this design. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, so this is your shower area. Okay, so let's go to the living room. So, but before I go into the living room, check out this beautiful painting. The house comes with this painting. So if you're buying the house, it's coming along with this beautiful painting. So by this side, you have your guest toilet. Comes with this POP light, beautiful. So this is your guest toilet. And this is your living area. Okay, so you have your controls by this side with your intercom for your gates. So by this side, you still have more and more paintings. As you can see, there's already a design for it. It's a beautiful modern design. So you just buy more paintings and fill up these spaces. So, but you already have this tree right here. It comes with the house right here, and you have your control, your video access control over here. So you have your window, beautiful lighting, beautiful inbuilt speaker. It's quite spacious. Okay, so you have the TV console, beautiful floor to ceiling TV console with this beautiful light, very, very beautiful. I love the design. Okay, so this beautiful light. So you have a flute panel design on the wall. Okay, so let's head to the kitchen. So this is your kitchen, your fully fitted kitchen. You can make your home cooked meals, enjoy with your family. See how beautiful it is. So it comes with kitchen island, comes with your washing machine. Beautiful design, love this design. It's very beautiful. Okay, have your sink, so you can control it. Have for to wash your tumbler. Okay, see. So I'll retract this. So we have lots and lots of cabinets. I love this lighting. Oh, the bulb is not here, but I love it. It's beautiful. It has this bush bar vibe, you know, village vibe, but modern, very beautiful. Okay, so have this your sink, your burner, gas burner, water, your heat extractor, lots and lots of cabinets. So your kitchen comes with a microwave and your oven. Okay, so this is your space for your refrigerator. It doesn't come with a refrigerator. And this door leads you outside the compound space. Outside the compound. Okay, so let's head over to this place. Remember I showed you when I was passing, when I went to the poolside. So you can use this place as a gym room. You know, you can use this place. For me, that's what I'm going to use. You can just put in your treadmill or your cycle. You know, just stop gym room. You know, so after working out, just head over to the pool. See how functional it is. So you can put in your treadmill over here or your cycle. Then after you work out, just have a swim. Beautiful. Okay. So we are done with the ground floor. Let's head upstairs. See the rooms. Okay, so staircase, beautiful. Comes with motions, control lights. See? Beautiful. Okay, so this is your family lounge. So this is a walkway. You have this is a walkway. This is a room, master's bed, and these are rooms on this floor. Okay, so this is your family lounge. Also comes with TV console. This beautiful light. So this is room 1. Have a wardrobe by this side. Okay. So as usual, all rooms comes with toilet and bathroom. All rooms are in suite. Okay. Room 2. Okay. So you have your TV console as well. Beautiful TV console. Okay. So as usual, it comes with the bathroom. Okay. Okay, so done with this room. Let's go to the next room. So this is room 3. It's a 5-bedroom. So you have one room downstairs. You have 3 rooms upstairs. 4 rooms upstairs. Sorry. Oh, so this should be the kids' room. Yeah, this is definitely the kids' room. So this one, this is the bathroom. Okay, so let's head over to the master's bed. Okay, so this is the master's bedroom. You have your closet by this side. Okay, so have a TV console by this side. No, this is not a TV console. This is still your closet. No, you can use it to put your makeup, body cream. So this is your TV console. Okay, so I love this light. It's very beautiful. I love the design. A beautiful light. Okay, so it's access to your balcony. Okay, so let's see the bathroom. Okay, so this beautiful bathtub right here, suspended WC, shower area. Okay, so you have come to the end of this video. Call the number that I showed on your screen for bring here for inspection. The house comes with governor's consent, the global C of O, cars building approval. So if you wish this to be your next home, just call the number on your screen. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. Till I come away next time, thank you and God bless you.